What's up guys, Troy here. This is Peace Be Still by The Belonging Company, another great song that I missed apparently when it came out. This was an awesome suggestion by one of the Guitar for His Glory members. So I took a look at the lyrics, love them, and listening to Lauren Daigle sing is just a blessing, man. That lady has pipes, and it's just so awesome to listen to her and belt this song out. There's 6 guitar parts in the song, and each of them is important, so it was difficult to kind of melt them together into one. This is what I could come up with, so I hope it's helpful. Had a lot of fun with the effects on this one too. You'll notice a lot of Walrus Audio Julia, especially in the parts where I'm copying the piano to try to make it a bit more interesting. So if you don't have a piano player, there's some parts in there that you can play to kind of sub in. If you do have a piano or keyboard player, then just sit those parts out. We don't need to be playing all the time. And this is the first time I got a chance to record with the 1981 Inventions DRV drive, and it sounds really cool. There's a ton of gain on that thing. It's like at 9 o'clock and it's just screaming already. So I had a lot of fun with that. And obviously the words to the song are awesome. It has this idea, peace be still, dancing in the deep. That dancing in the deep is a notion that we can have joy as Christians through trials, through struggles, through pain, through sorrow, through tribulation, because of Jesus and what He's done for us on the cross. So once you have the right view of salvation and what a gift salvation is, then you can experience joy through anything, because you realize it's not about material things, it's not about money, it's not about health, it's not about prosperity in those senses. It's about that I am rich in Jesus. The gospel is not about money and health. The gospel is all about Jesus and having a restored right relationship with God. And when that happens, when Jesus gives you that faith, and this in the bridge of the song it says, let faith rise up, and we can pray that prayer if we're struggling with this notion of salvation, that God can love you even though you're a mess, that God can love me even though I'm a mess. When we struggle with that belief, we can pray that. We can pray, let faith rise up, Lord, give me faith to believe that, because when we believe the gospel, when we believe that Jesus forgives our sins despite us not earning any of it, then we can dance in the deep. Peace be still. Awesome song. So this is Peace Be Still by Lauren Daigle. Hope you guys enjoy it.
2, 3, 4. Intro. Drums in. Intro. bridge, 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 build, bridge, continue to build, chorus, all in, refrain, refrain, instrumental, breakdown, instrumental, 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 last time, bridge, bridge,